Okay, 3D students, you're back in my house. I've looked at some of your starts to the room renovation models, and there's a consistent issue that I've seen over the years that I want you all to pay particular attention to as you're continuing through with your models. So here's what it is. It's light. 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 I'm walking you through my house. Lights. Lights from a window. Lights from a standing lamp. Ceiling lights. Hanging lights. So the one thing that often gets left out when you're outfitting your rooms, and I see people are outfitting their rooms really well with furniture, toilets, sinks, cabinets, whatever it is that's particular to that room, I want you to pay attention to light. You can find lights in your warehouse, or you can pop them in the ceiling, but let's make sure to include that detail. We've got a little extra time to be doing this work, so I want us to be really detail-oriented. Pay attention to the light. If you haven't shared your piece with me, please share it with me so I can look in at what you're doing and give you some feedback. I'm thinking that we should be ready to move on from this at the end of this week. So I'd like to see what people are doing, and I'd like to see the light.